Statement coverage testing is a white box testing technique that ensures every executable statement in a piece of code is executed at least once. It is a metric to measure testing thoroughness by executing code lines, and it's useful for programmers to find defects and ensure code quality. The formula for statement coverage is number of executed statements divided by number of statements, and the sum of it or result of it is multiplied by 100. Implementation steps. Goal: to design test cases that execute every single line of code at least once. Process: testers convert the program, in this case there are developers and programmers, convert the program into a flow chart and identify the minimum number of paths needed to cover all statement nodes. Means a developer or programmer acts as a tester testing own code. Metric: statement coverage is calculated as a percentage to determine how much of the line code has been tested. Key characteristics. Type: a white box testing technique, meaning it requires knowledge of the internal code structure, like I said, programmer or developer. Scope: it focuses on executing every statement, but does not guarantee that all possible local paths or conditions, like false conditions, are tested. Application: it is fundamental method for ensuring code quality and verifying the flow of different paths in a program. Let's take a look at statement coverage example. Statement coverage testing aims to ensure that every executable statement in a program's source code is executed at least once during testing. To achieve 100% statement coverage for this function, you need to design test cases that ensure each return statement and each if-else condition is executed. For example, function client credit check with parameter score. In case if score will be more or equal 90, the output print will be the client has a class rating score. Another case, or if else if score more or equal 80, the output will be the client has B class rating score. Another else if score more or equal 70, let's say, the output print will be the client has C class rating score. In any other case, else prints the client has lowest F class rating score. What does it mean? We test only above 70%. Test cases for 100% statement coverage. Test case 1, score 95. Score equals 95. This case will execute if score is more or equal 90, condition and return a statement. Test case number 2, score is 85, so it will return B statement. Test case number 3, score is 75, a parameter score is 75, but the condition is else if that score is more or equal 70, so it returns B statement. Test case number 4, score 60. In this case, the output line will execute else, so-called else block, and return F statement or negative statement. By running these 4 test cases, all executable statements within client credit check function will have been executed at least once, achieving 100% statement coverage.